Okay, well, I'm going to be doing a short Dan's Comp unboxing video. Okay, so came with a razor for shaving. Dan's Comp breast cancer shirt. Some stickers. And my Shadow Conspiracy gloves. Balls, these are big. Oh, never mind that, but fine. Here's what they look like. Not quite sure what they're called, but... Oh, my apologies, hold on. Should have been filming like this. Because that way you can see it better on your screen. So it says Dan's Comp. Don't know, I don't think it has anything on the back, no. It doesn't. Here's the other one. So, that's what they look like. I'm gonna see if they have any. Okay, there. Here's all the stuff on it. I'm not gonna say it, you can just read it. And there's Shadow Conspiracy. See? But the packaging is pretty cool. So. Alright, well, that's all I got from Dan's Comp. Oh, and God, I'm gonna do a short bike check because I don't have much parts on it. So basically, don't laugh at me. I know you're gonna call me poser or whatever, but I have a Specialized P20 Amateur Series. I have, what are they called? Odyssey twisted pedals. So they're white and like dark or whatever. Like if you're not outside, they're white, and whenever you're outside, they turn like a pinkish color. Well, they should be pink, but they're kind of like an orange. And then I have like all stock, everything that comes on it. And then like have ODI long necks with the metal ODI bar ends and Stollen cell bars. Now I plan on getting like the Sunday Funday frame and maybe some pink cranks if I can find them, so that way I can have like a pink and black, or pink and green frame, or well, pink and green bike. That'd be pretty cool. But that's all I got from Dan's Comp. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe.